Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing another organization and decluttering project in the house, and today I'm going to be tackling our hall closet, which is located behind me. And in that closet we have our winter coats, hats, scarves, gloves. It also is where I keep all of our first aid and our medicine. It also has down on the bottom of the closet, you'll see I just have like bags corralled for different things like tailgating, my boat bag is in there, and things like that. So come along with me as I declutter and organize this coat closet. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. I got rid of so much stuff. I got rid of 2 of my winter coats. And then a bunch of like tailgate items that we don't use anymore. And then I cleaned out our medicine. So there's a lot of like empty boxes and containers. I just took it out of the original boxes to make room up in our containers up here. So up here, this is our first aid area, and this just has like cold medicine, cough drops, that emergency. And then in here, sorry it's dark, there's no light in that closet. And there it's just more of like first aid, like bandages, ointment, stuff like that. And then our winter coats. And then down here is where I keep all of our scarves, hats, gloves. And I went through that, and there was a couple gloves that didn't have matches, so I got rid of that. And then I just cleaned up our boat bag and our tailgate stuff. So not real exciting, but it's another closet in my home that I was able to declutter and organize.
Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next one, see ya.